Okay, we're just about finished with our image. Let's add some sharpness to the details. We have this background copy that I had moved up to the top earlier so that we could toggle this on and off and see what our original image looked like. But let's go ahead and move that back down to where we found it, which was right above this original background layer. And we're going to make sure that it's placed below the repairs layer. And at this point, we can toggle the visibility back on. And let's convert this to a smart object. And then let's go ahead into our filter menu and choose Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. And we should zoom in on our image a little bit. Let's take a look at the face of the statue. And we have in Unsharp Mask, we can check to make sure that the preview box is checked so that we can see what our sharpness would look like once we apply it. And let's go ahead and just play around with this radius. If we make this really extreme, we can see that it changes our image significantly, and that's not the effect that we want. We just want something subtle. Here's what it would look like. Let's see, let's turn off the preview. Here's what it looks like now. Okay, and let's increase the radius. Let's increase the radius just a bit. No more than maybe 1.5 pixels. I might even go less than that. I think I'll go less than that. All right. That looks better. We don't want to go too extreme on this because it will start to create what are called artifacts in our image, and it's going to not look realistic. Okay, so I have my radius at 0.8 pixels, which is very subtle. Okay, so that is our finished image. Remember that we could, on our black and white adjustment layer, if we change the blend mode to normal, we'll have a black and white image. If we choose darken, we'll have this kind of vintage color photo sort of a look.